Well, welcome back into another video. So today I went to shop. I bought some grocery and today I'm going to show you how I clean and store my grocery in the fridge and how I retain them fresh. So if you're new to my channel, kindly consider subscribing and supporting me. I would really appreciate it very much. So guys, come and watch with me and let me show you how I do it. So after washing them, I'll dry them because I can't store them in the fridge with water, because if you store them in the fridge with water, they will get rotten. And mind you, I'm going to be using Ziploc. I don't have containers, so I have to dry them completely because they're also going to sweat. I don't want them to get rotten. Maybe. So guys, this is how I store my carrots and other vegetables. So I'm going to show you how I do it. So I'll continue packing them till I'm done with my baby here. Guys, I don't have containers yet. I wish I had them, but for now I'm going to use what I have. I'm just going to use this Ziploc. box because I don't have the containers. They are a bit expensive. So let's just use what we have for now. Apa? Apa? Shika. Good. Good girl. Shika. 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 Yoi. 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 Here. Chukua weke. Weke. Good. Yoi mama. Yoi. Weke hii. Hii. Good. Weka ingine. Good girl. Yoi. Good. Na hii. Weka. Ako tempted kuuma. Weka hapa. Yeah, mama. No. Hey. Guys, these things, they are very difficult closing them. Kuna hewa ikiharibu. Chapi. Chapi na. Unastika hapa. Baby Jesus. Baby Jesus. Oh my God. Oh my God. You are my savior. Every day. Every day. Every day. Guys, you have to remove the air inside because if you let the air remain inside, they tend to get bad. They tend to go bad easily. So I'm trying to remove the air inside. Yes. Baby Jesus. Hello. Oh, chopper. Oh. Nini? Tumia hizi kwanza. Sema ya hakuna shida, si unachukua video. Hakuna shida. Tutashinda naongea na wewe. Guys, if you wrap your cabbage like this, they tend to stay for long without going bad in the fridge. Yes?
Jaribu kushona inakataa.
Nitakutengenezea, ngoja nimalize. Unaona kweli? Guys, my fridge is small. has already filled up. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and support me as you watch my video. I'm still a young YouTuber, so if you support me by subscribing and liking my video, I would really appreciate it very much. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Guys, I know you're wondering how I'm storing ice on the other fridge. Those are not ice, those are leftover food. Yes, so don't worry, that is not ice, that is leftover food. We are using ice containers. So see you guys in the next video.